He was calling me.
Him, yeah.
Ask questions.
Dialogue loose. Akil Mafi.
Ask question.
Akil Mafi.
This is independence system.
Then you have to address this to Mr. President, right?
President, no.
You,
There's no Kabiria.
how is President doing?
President Mafi.
Then it's good, right?
Yeah.
Then Akil Fi is good. Food is there. Then.
Akil Asasa.
Food is there.
But Asasa is when.
Food is there. I'm in Uganda. Like for me, I see food.
Food is there.
I see food is available.
Food is available.
Food is available. Food is cheap here.
But
food is cheap in Uganda.
I mean now.
Yeah.
I mean as of now.
As of now.
As of now.
Ugandan are cultivating. They are good in agriculture.
No, we are not talking
We are
about.
good in
Yes.
agriculture.
Then food is there.
It is German when.
We are good in
South
agriculture.
Sudan.
South Sudan?
Yeah.
We know to dig. We know to dig.
Yes. Uganda is doing good. Uganda is doing good, right?
We know to keep.
Guys, they are complaining that there is no food, but to be honest, my experience in Uganda, Uganda are doing good. Uganda have food. Uganda, people are cultivating.